Welcome to Tech News. Apple has announced a large group of new products. Here we can see budget iPhone, upgraded MacBooks with new processors, and a brand new iPad Air. Apple has introduced iPhone 17e, a cheaper version of iPhone 17. Apple has successfully reduced to $200 iPhone 17 and it introduced it as iPhone 17e. This cheaper version of iPhone 17 comes with single camera backside and has more battery capacity than iPhone 17, and they have removed dynamic island notch to make it cheaper, and it also 48 megapixel single camera and it can support MagSafe wireless charging. Base variant starts from 256 GB storage. Apple also revealed new MacBook Pro models with M5 Pro and M5 Max chips, which are designed to handle heavy tasks like AI tasks and video editing and gaming related tasks. They also come with cheaper version of MacBook Neo, where Apple has successfully introduced new version of MacBook. In it, they are using iPhone's Bionic AI in chip to make it entry level laptop. Apple said that this entry level laptop aimed at student and everyday users. Apple also launched upgraded iPad Air with M4 chip along with Studio Display monitors. MacBook Neo comes at $599. They said that this was the entry level laptop, but according to their, this was cheap and best price they can give, so we need to wait for any offers or any big deals to buy this in cheap price. Chinese electric vehicle company BYD announced a new battery technology called Blade Battery 2.0. According to the company, the battery can charge from 10% to 70% in 5 minutes, which means you can run more than 240 miles just by charging 5 minutes, which could significantly reduce charging time for electric vehicles. They say that they have used LFP chemistry, which is lithium ion phosphate, which is cheaper and safer compared to other battery types, which can nearly charge full battery within 10 minutes. Although they have come with this fast charging battery, it needs a powerful charging station too. It requires around 1.5 megawatt class charging stations to charge this kind of battery. We can expect these kind of batteries in upcoming electric vehicles, and first vehicle to expected is U7 luxury sedan. Meta is facing a lawsuit over privacy concern related to its AI smart glasses. Reports revealed that contractors working for Meta were reviewing footages captured by glasses, which sometimes include highly sensitive or private moments. Some users were unaware that they are recorded. Rumors say that these smart glass footage were used for research and development purpose by Meta, but these footages, which sometimes include highly sensitive or private moments, although there is an LED blinking while recording, netizens can block that LED or cover that LED so that it looks like normal specs, which is a big privacy concern. So, this lawsuit has filed against Meta. Over 7 million glasses already been sold. So, let's wait and see what Meta is going to answer with update or answer with investigation launched by UK regulator. Lawsuit filed in United States. Hope in upcoming days we need to be concerned about AI wearable privacy. Google has settled a long running legal dispute with Epic Games regarding the Google Play Store commission free. Previously, Google used to charge 30% commission from developers. Right now, under the new agreement, company will reduce commission to 20% with an additional 5% fee if developers use Google billing system. Google is also working on a registered app store which will allow approved third-party app stores to operate more easily on Android devices. As part of the settlement, Epic Games will bring Fortnite returns to Play Store globally. Apple Music is preparing to introduce a system that will help users to identify songs that were created using artificial intelligence. Apple is trying to add a metadata tags which can tell that a song is created using AI or not. AI is used in music composition, lyrics, artwork, or music videos. So, these tags may help users to identify AI related content. The goal is to provide more transparency because AI generated content is becoming more common across streaming platforms. That's why Apple is trying to introduce AI transparency tags. Similar discussion is happening across music industry too. A lawsuit has been filed against Google after a man reportedly died by suicide following months of conversation with a Gemini AI chatbot. According to the lawsuit, the user had developed an emotional relationship with the chat and refined to it as his wife. The company claimed that chatbot encountered harmful thoughts and suggested that they could be together after death. Google stated that the chatbot repeatedly reminded the user it was an AI and also recommended contacting crisis support service. This case raised serious concerns about the psychological impact of advanced AI chatbots. Microsoft has released the codename for its upcoming generation Xbox, a Project Helix. According to the company, Project Helix is going to be hybrid. We can play console games plus PC games also. We can also use this console as PC and we can run PC games too. We can expect it around 2027. Amazon has redesigned its Fire TV mobile application. Previously, the app mainly focused as a backup remote control for Fire TV devices. With the update, users can browse movies, shows, and add content to their wishlist. The new interface includes categories such as movies, TV, sports, news, along with a personalized recommendation based on viewers' history. This is a big move by Amazon. This update will be rolled out globally. HubSpot introduced the Tiny 3 AI webcam, designed primarily for creators, streamers, and remote workers. The camera supports 4K resolution, includes several AI-powered features such as automatic tracking, gesture control, and voice tracking. By using this Tiny 3 AI webcam, we can record 4K and we can attend calls in 4K resolution. Since it's having object tracking, although we can move around the laptop, it won't lose focus on us. And also it has voice tracking and object tracking. Based on our response, it will adjust its focus. And also we can set object tracking while using specific applications. They also come with a light version, Tiny 3 Lite model. Movie suggestions.
Brady Hopper's Peaky Blinders, Dolly War Machine, Boyfriend.